Hello guys, and welcome to our new video. This time it's going to be about basic information about Liberec and its region and what is good to know before your arrival to Czech Republic. Long story short, Liberec principles. Yeah. Let's describe our beautiful city. It's the fifth largest city in the Czech Republic with more than 100,000 inhabitants. Liberec is located in the north of the Czech Republic and lies on the border of Jezera Mountains. Moreover, Jezera Mountains belongs to Czech protected landscape areas. Moreover, Jezera Mountains belongs to Czech protected landscape areas. So beauties of nature are guaranteed there. Yes, they are. Maybe I could make a special episode about it because it deserves it. Yeah, I think maybe I could. Maybe I should. I must. I will. Liberec, as I said, is located in the north of the Czech Republic, in the mountains, and it has really strategic position for all incoming students. Why? First, we are really near to Poland, and Poland has a really lovely countryside. It's a really nice country, so you can manage some trip there. Secondly, we are really close to Germany, so you can manage a trip there as well. So if you come to TUL, you can reach 3 countries: Czech Republic, Poland and Germany. And what's more, we are 1 hour from Prague, and there is no need to talk about the magnificence of our beautiful capital city. Everyone knows that. Everyone loves it there. Prague is Prague. Some workers? Never mind. And at last, not at least, we are about 70 minutes from the National Park Bohemian, Switzerland, and 70 minutes from National Park Krkonoše. Okay, let's summarize it. 1 hour to Prague this way, 70 minutes to Bohemian, Switzerland this way, 30 minutes to Germany this way, 40 minutes to Poland this way, and 70 minutes to Krnap this way. Average temperatures of every month you can see there. Summers here are sunny, nothing special. We have sun and storms, but everything under 40 degrees, nothing like in Spain or some of these southern countries. Our summers are okay, I think. You can see it there. No. There, and there. This is summer in Liberec. Winters are a little bit colder, something about this temperature, but it's survivable. Nothing so bad. During winters we have snow. This is the reason why all of the near surroundings, even from Prague, are coming here, because they can ski in our hills and our mountains. It's very enjoyable. You should try it. Try it out. It's really good. And springs and autumns are windy and rainy, and sunny and cloudy. It is a mixture of everything, I think. The springs and autumns I like the most because it's not too much cold, not too much hot, it's just right. But all I said is just subjective. It depends on every person. It depends. And one more thing, what I wanted to say is that before you arrive, be sure to check what the weather in the Czech Republic is. Because some time ago we had a funny case with Italianos. They came here in t-shirt and shirts, but there was a storm. So you can imagine, they came from 40 degrees to 12 degrees in flip-flops. So it's tiny difference. It's better to check it out. Okay, that's all from Weather Ondřej, and now I'm giving the floor to Ondřej the packager. Ondřej? Thank you, Weather Ondřej. Now I will show you what to pack to Liberec. Clothes. Some winter clothes. If you are coming into winter months, be sure to pack this, especially if you are from southern countries. But if you have no space in your luggage, don't worry. It's not so expensive in the Czech Republic, so you can leave them home and buy them here. Really? Of course, teddy bear. If you don't have one, you can grab a teddy elephant. Drugs, but you know what I mean. Which drugs? In the medicine meaning. You cannot know if your medicine is in the Czech Republic also, so you can grab them too. Leave all the other drugs home. Drugs are bad and gay. Of course, if you want, you can grab some special species from your country. For example, guys from India, they are all the time taking some special curry from India because they are hard to buy in Czech Republic. Umbrella, it's a really good idea. In Liberec, it's really handy to have one. And of course, some stuff into bedroom, for example, towels or perfumes and toothbrush, of course. Some music instrument, if you are playing one. When I was in Latvia on my Erasmus, there was one guy from Italy, my friend, and he took an accordion. He was playing really good. Okay, that's it. Now about what is better to leave home. For example, pets. Just leave them home because it's not allowed to have them in dormitories, and in my opinion, it's not good to travel with them. So leave them home. You will all the time think about them and you will look forward to them. Bed sheets for a blanket or for your pillow, leave them home because you will receive one in dormitories. Drugs are bad, okay? Blankets and pillows, of course, you will receive them also in the dormitories. Washing machine, of course, there are many of them in the dormitories, again, so do not worry about the laundering. All these appliances you can find in the dormitories. You will find the list of them in our article. Of course, books. Maybe some more. Okay, that's it. I think that's all. If I find out some more information I forgot, I will summarize them in our article. Follow us on Facebook. Check out our second YouTube channel. Enjoy Liberec and Carpe TUL.